Hi everyone, Ariel Adams here with a blog to watch. I'm here interviewing Enrico Margaritelli from Glam Rock watches and other brands. He's here to show us the new CT Scuderia watches. Enrico, please.
Thank you very much, Ariel, for the presentation and for the opportunity to introduce my first brand made with the passion of ex-sportmen. And so I create this watch named CT Scuderia, which is coming from a connection between the vintage and modern construction of a watch. When I say vintage, is because it's an iconic, typical neck chrono was using probably around in the 60s and 70s. And then what I did was creating a construction with the two horns pieces then attached to the pocket watch. It is possible to wear now at the wrist. As you can see, these watches have very distinctive pushers, and the pusher are one red button, which is the stop, and is also short, and we have one longer, which is the start and the enter time. The reason why the short button is different than the long one is because if you are using this type of watches with glove, and it's more easy to find the start and enter time setting pusher, and much more difficult to make mistake maybe to press the stop one. So this watch is 10 ATM, all stainless steel, and it's possible to have a different type of strap from, we call this cinghia leggera, which is a light strap and very resistant nylon, or it's possible to have the same watch in a different color or strap. So it can be in leather with the perforation leather like the supercar, sport car leather seat. And the straps are made in Italy, very well made, and the watch is a Swiss made. The crown is a screw crown, and the case back is stainless steel screw back with the epoxy design, then report the Italian flag colors. The movement is a Ronda movement, 5320, which is a special movement with the important features on your left eye. Is a 12-hour chrono, and is characteristical that is not really common in quartz movement. They normally make the chronograph work only for the 60 minutes. In this case, we can take a much more longer chronograph action. The same construction of watch was also recreated in a more modern way, and with a different type of solution for the crown and pusher. We call this model CT11, and the collection name is Touring, where the difference between this watch and the previous one are the pusher and the crown, where are much more less evident, but very nice looking when you look, for example, from the top, where we have the possibility to have a different type of color of crown and pusher with the epoxy protection, or we can have the same with the color of pusher and bottom, then change in the color of the Italian flag. The strap in silicone is specially made and molded with the thickness, then is bringing very comfortable wearing at the wrist. And the size of the strap is 26 at 20 millimeter with the stainless steel buckle. And I want just to make a fast introduction of a future model that we are presenting just in anteprima today, which will be introduced at the Basel 2013, and which is then our first automatic model, 3 hands, as you can see in this moment. It will be see-through case back, big crown at 12, protection crown right and left, and the strap in silicone with the long perforation for transpiration and sport utilization. This collection is now available online, and it will be soon available in the market in US, and I hope will be interesting for your customer and visitors.
And what is the price range of these models?
The collection is between $9.95 and $13.95 US dollar today.
Perfect. Enrico, thank you.
Thank you very much.